And we are back with another video, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and today's video is gonna be about this beautiful 2022 Charger GT. GT is a really popular trim level because of the combination of styling that it has from Big Brother Hellcat, and it has a decent amount of performance and a really good pricing as well. This is gonna be my first time driving a Charger. I'm a Challenger kind of guy. Let's see if this car is gonna change my mind and make me maybe consider a Charger. Who knows? Let's go ahead and check out the Charger, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go! And as usual, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start doing a review from the exterior design. After that, we're gonna move into the interior, and after that, we're gonna take this bad boy for a test drive. Before I start talking about the beautiful exterior design, I want to talk about this. This is the key that you're gonna get when you buy one of these. It comes with a remote start, open in the trunk, and lock and unlock the doors and the panic mode. It's a really nice looking key. It has a Dodge sign in it. Really nice and cool. It comes with 2 keys. I would like start talking about the front end. It looks so amazing. It looks so stunning and nice with this blue color. You have LED day running lights and LED turn signal lights. You have a halogen light as well, and you have an LED fog lights. I love the blackout grille with the blacked out Dodge sign in here because you have the blackout package. It's so amazing, guys, and it's huge. The car literally is so huge, and I love that scoop, the hood scoop right here that Hellcats have is just so nice, beautiful. Look at this, guys. To be honest, I was not a big fan of this, but when I see it up close and I take my time looking at it, it kind of grew into me. Like, it looks so nice. On the side, you have this beautiful 20-inch blackout wheels with the Dodge sign in the middle. It looks so nice, so unique. I love the combination of black and this blue. You have blackout mirrors because this is the blacked out package. So it's gonna come with a container interior, moonroof. It's gonna come fully equipped, guys. Look at this. The side of this car is just so crazy. This car right here is 200 inches long, making it the longest mid-size sedan in the entire world. That's crazy. And from the back, ladies and gentlemen, it has this beautiful classic Charger taillights, fully LED, looking so nice. I just love the color, guys. Look at this color. It's so nice and shiny. You got some vents right here, and if you look down, you see real exhaust tips right here. You're gonna have backup sensors as well. It's so nice, ladies and gentlemen. It's just so cool. I love this car. You want to have fun with your friends, you cannot buy a Challenger for that. It's so tight in the back. But with this car right here, look at this. That is tons of space. And I love the leather right here with the black stitches. So nice. The seats right here is my favorite. You have Alcantara in the middle, and you have leather over here, and the space is so nice. Look at this. If I'm the driver and you're sitting in the back, you're gonna feel like you're in a Rolls Royce. Really good amount of leg room, really good amount of knee room as well. This is nice. You got heated seats in the back. You have air vents in the back as well, and 2 USB chargers. It's so relaxing in the back, guys. It's so cool. And this is gonna be your cup holders right here. Extra storage right here is available if you want it. Look at this. I love it. All right, guys, we're going to the front right now. Open the door just like this, and guys, here we are inside of the Dodge Charger. It's a really nice looking steering wheel. You have your Dodge sign right here. It looks so nice. You got leather in here, stitching all over the dashboard, and right here it says Charger, so you don't mistake it for the Challenger. So let's go ahead and turn the car on. It says Charger right here. Let's rev it a little bit, have some fun, right? That's what we are here for. Alright, it sounds incredible actually. It sounds really nice. I love the steering wheel. It looks so nice, sporty. You got shift paddles right here and right here. What I really love though is the dashboard right here. Look at this. I love the combination of black and red. So nice, guys. Screen in the middle right here, you can control your performance. If you click on Sport or Super Track Pack, it's gonna take you to this menu. It says your current mode is Sport, the engine transmission is on Sport, your traction is normal, your steering is on Sport, so it gets a little bit heavy when you steer. Sport mode setup, you can just, you know, change the settings if you want to. You even have a launch control. Can you believe that? I cannot believe that. Can we try it right here? I don't know if we allowed, guys, but that's so cool. Backup camera is really nice. You have this trajectory lines to help you park. It's not the best resolution, but it's nice. And one of my favorite things about Dodge is this, man. Look at that. The gear selector is so nice. You feel like you are in an airplane. You can shut off the screen, turn it on from this button right here. And literally everything here is nothing. No more buttons, nothing. It's so simple. That spot is for the key. And you have a little spot right here to put your phone. You have a 12V charger, cup holders, and a little bit more storage right here. Another 12V charger. The headline is just all in black because this is a sports car, and of course you have a moonroof. So right now we talk about the X-Spec, the interior and exterior design. What about the performance? It's gonna have a 3.6 V6 that produces up to 300 horsepower. That's awesome. So I have driven the Challengers multiple times. The Challengers always feels heavy, especially when you're going on corners. So what about the Charger? Is it gonna be the same or does it handle a little bit better? So we about to test drive this baby right here. Really want to give a shout out to Stewart CDGR for making today's happen. I'm gonna put their information down in the description in case you want to buy this particular car or any other car.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go.
Sorry for the inconvenience, but the microphone had decided to betray us, and I'm gonna do a voiceover, give you a summary of my experience driving with the Charger. And the first thing I want to point out is the car definitely feels long because it is long. It's 200 inches, ladies and gentlemen, so it definitely has that long feeling big muscle car, but it's really easy to get used to. So as I'm driving, all I can see is the hood. This is how long the car is, but this is one of the characteristics about Dodge, and that's why we love them. And this particular car that I'm driving right now is gonna be the rear wheel drive. So if you're putting the power down and you have your traction control off, the back tires is gonna be spinning, and you can have a lot of fun with this car. And the interior of this car is crazy comfortable. The seats are big and wide and comfortable for all size, and it's a true cruiser. This car definitely is gonna be great for longer trips. The suspension is really nice and smooth once you are driving in normal, but once you activated the sport mode, the suspension becomes a little bit more stiff, the steering wheel as well, and when you're using your shifting paddles, you definitely feel the power. It's not as crazy as the RT's Catback or the Hellcat, but it has a decent amount of power. This is more like a muscle car introduction. I mean, on the other hand, you have 300 horsepower and you have a launch control. And this Giant right here is so much fun to drive. And to answer the question I asked in the beginning of this video, does it handle like a Challenger or is it gonna be a little bit better? And based on my experience, and this is just my experience with this specific car right here, I feel like it handles a little bit better than a Challenger, and especially in the corners. Challengers always feel heavy and they mellow left and right. This one is more steady and it feels like a sports car. So there you go, it does handle better than a Challenger.
I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.